We have a more like an Arcade1up clone from a friend from China. Time for some Predator mode. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video I want to dedicate this video to a new product I found in China on AliExpress. I did a talking video about an Arcade1up clone quite some while ago, and I never got my hands on one because I'm just going to be honest to you, it was way too expensive. I couldn't afford it. I really want to have it, but I couldn't find a cheap way to get it here. So I quit my search and just left it with the talking video. So let's go back to the other video or the other product I was talking about. I was mentioning about this one. This is more like an Arcade1up ripoff. I think it's a copy of a pretty old cabinet, but the idea behind it is exactly the same. It's a more like a tiny cabinet, really cool, but it had some flaws. It had some really big flaws. The big flaw of this thing was, first of all, it only, I'm going to scroll down to this. You can see we're having 4 buttons. So if you want to play games like Street Fighter, this is going to be a problem. So I was not very excited if I could get it cheap. First of all, I could afford it. Second of all, you need to modify it if you want to play every single game. It comes with 900 games, and as you can see here, combined, doesn't matter even if you buy this or this one, it's freaking expensive because look at the shipping cost. But that brings us back to the other product. So they have released a new model. This is the 9S. Alright, so it still has a 90-inch screen. I am hoping, or I'm guessing, I don't know, that it has a better screen like the previous model. But okay, it's a 4:3 ratio, so you will love it. People who hate the widescreen stuff, I think you will love this. We have a 2 version over here, but it was more like in voltage. Depends what your region you live. Okay, but let's look at the specifications. It uses 40 watts. And indeed it has a 90-inch screen, an A13 hybrid threading processor. Ooh. Alright, let's see what we have more. This is the screen resolution, 19 inches. So yeah, we're having with this version more than 2,000 games. They're talking about 10 3D games, so I'm guessing that they are using, don't know for sure again, they're using the Pandora Key 3D. And they're not a really bad box, and you can maybe swap it out in the future. You can just buy the family or the Yamaha edition, what you want. So it looks a little bit basic if you look at this. There's no marquee or something like that, but look at this. Yes, they've learned from the mistakes. We're having 6 buttons now. We even have an insert coin mechanism, so if you want to have this old school experience, that's really cool. Yeah, the games are basically an old or new Pandora box. Metal handle, so you can pick it up or something, yeah. We're having small wheels, so that's very convenient if you want to roll it around. So I'm just going to be honest, I'm very curious about this thing. Again, same problem like the previous model, I don't know if I can get it cheap. If you look at it, there's no information about the plywood they are using. Is it thicker, is it better quality than Arcade1up? All those questions, that's only can give you an answer to if I'm getting my hands on one. But there is a positive side, and here it comes. Look at the price. The shipping is still freaking expensive. There needs to be a cheaper way to get it here. I'm guessing they are using through flight or is shipping up the fastest way ever. Let's see. Oh, it's getting even more expensive when clicking on the other way. But look at this price. Look at this. $178. So if we're gonna get it, and if we have a cheap solution for shipping, I think this is worth our money. What do you think? If you look at all the big bar tops and all those things you can buy for $500, $600, crazy amount of money, but this can be interesting. It's more like similar like the Arcade1up, and I don't know how the pricing are in America or other countries, but here we need to pay around €500 for an Arcade1up. So if you look at this is pretty interesting. It's still a little bit expensive because I need to pay import for it and all of stuff, but still, it's interesting. So yeah, let me know. What do you think of this? I really love to know from you. Would you consider something buying like this? Nevertheless, that concludes this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel for more awesome Wicked videos. See you next time. Bye bye.
Uppercut!